This is a task on shape facts, and we're trying to find x in each of the shapes. Let's have a look at this first one. So we have a rectangle, and the important thing I want you to notice is these lines which are on the shape. So we have two lines here and two lines here, one here and one here. What that's telling us is that these two sides which have one line on are the same length as each other. So you can see the same here, that these have three lines, so each of these sides must be the same length as each other. These ones have two lines, so these must be the same length as each other, but different in length to the other two sides. So if this side is of length 10, and we know that this side is the same length as that one, then we know that x must equal 10. Okay, and the same, if we wanted to find out what this side was here, then it would be 6, because the one opposite that one is 6. Okay, next shape. We have, as I've just said, we've got these little lines on it, and that's telling us that each side is of equal length. A triangle with three sides of equal length will also have all the angles of equal size, and this is an equilateral triangle that we have here. So we know that this side is the same length as this side, so x must equal 5. Last shape, we have a circle, and we have this green line that comes out from the center of the circle to the edge of the circle, and that is called the radius. And this red line, which goes all the way across the circle, is the diameter. Now, a diameter is one radius plus another radius, so it's two radiuses long. So the diameter is twice as long as the radius, so x must equal 14, which is twice the radius of 7. Here are some similar questions for you to do. Just note that, just have a think about what this little box in the corner means as well. Okay, so we have a square here. Each of the angles and sides are the same. We know that x must equal 5 because all of the sides on this square are the same. And we also know that this is a 90-degree angle here because it's got that little square in the corner. This triangle has two sides of the same length. So both of those will be the same length as each other, which is 13. And finally, we have a circle. This time we have the diameter, which is 30. And we know that x is going to be half of that. So x is going to be 15. Here are some similar questions for you to do. So we've got the easier ones at the top, which you should be doing first. And then we've got harder questions at the bottom. So we involve some algebra in here. So you're going to have to be forming equations and then solving those equations. Good luck.